What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are doing a room tour at the Luxor, and this is what a standard room at the Luxor in the tower looks like. Let's get into it. Okay, so once you enter the room, immediately to your left, you're greeted by the bathroom, and there is one sink, a hair dryer, tissue, wash rags, hand towels, and then of course they have a magnifying mirror, toiletries, soap, then your toilet, and then above the toilet is some more towels and hand towels. They have a nice picture of the Nevada mountains, and then they have a shower. It's a stand-in shower, and they do have a tub. It is separate in the shower. There is no like seat or anything like that, but then next to it you have the bathtub, which doesn't have jets, but it does have like a little handhold for your towel. There's some more towels, and then once you leave the bathroom, you're immediately greeted by a full-length mirror. Hey-oh! So yeah, you're greeted by a full-length mirror. And also check out this light fixture. It's like made of cloth. It looks super cool. And it actually lights up a lot considering like the light itself is covered. Yeah, so full-length mirror. This can be a conjoining door right here. So if you book the room next to you, you can conjoin it. You come on down to the left and you're greeted by the thing that holds all the luggage, a desk, the television, the 2 chairs, and a standard queen size bed. And then on each side of the bed you have a mirror, a lamp, and a nightstand. And then of course there's going to be wall decor. And then check out this desk area. So you have your television and a small little desk area with a chair that does roll on the carpet, and then you have some drawers and then a cabinet. So this cabinet acts as your closet, so you have hangers, an ironing board, but there is no safe. It is just a basic standard closet. And then you have like a little living area with 2 chairs, and of course your cups and ice bucket. And then on the other side of the bed you have again another mirror, a lamp, the telephone, nightstand, and the remote. So let's check out this view, shall we? Also, you have an option to conjoin this room. Alright you guys, this is our view. It's literally just of the pyramid, and you can kind of see Delano. But this is our view. I had to wait until the morning to show you guys because clearly you can't see anything at nighttime. And then you can kind of see like the private airport over there on the left. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you guys have stayed at Luxor, and if so, your experiences, and be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. I do also have another room tour for Luxor, so I will be sure to link that above and at the end credits, and I also have done a casino tour for the Luxor too, so I got you covered there. Doodles!